Aging alone is a reality that many individuals face, and it brings with it a unique set of challenges that can significantly affect one's emotional well-being. As people grow older, the likelihood of living alone increases, often due to the loss of a partner or friends, which can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. This emotional impact can be profound, as social connections are vital for mental health. The absence of companionship can lead to a decline in mood, increased anxiety, and even physical health issues. It is crucial to recognize that while aging alone can be daunting, it is possible to cultivate a fulfilling life through intentional daily habits. Simple practices such as regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, and pursuing hobbies can create a sense of normalcy and joy. Additionally, social interactions, whether through community events or virtual connections, can significantly enrich one's life, providing opportunities for companionship and support. In this video, we'll highlight 6 key habits that can effectively combat loneliness and promote a fulfilling lifestyle for those aging alone. By focusing on these daily practices, you can create a routine that not only addresses the challenges of aging alone, but will also enhance your overall quality of life. As we explore these habits, we will uncover practical strategies that can empower you to embrace your independence while fostering meaningful relationships and experiences. Having a structured daily routine is essential for providing purpose and direction in life, especially as we age. A well-defined routine can create a sense of stability and predictability, which is crucial for emotional well-being. When individuals have a plan for their day, it helps to reduce feelings of aimlessness and fosters a sense of accomplishment. By incorporating activities that resonate with personal interests and values, individuals can create a daily schedule that enhances their quality of life. It's important to remember that routines don't have to be rigid. They can be flexible and adaptable to accommodate changing circumstances or interests. Whether it's setting aside time for exercise, pursuing hobbies, or connecting with friends and family, establishing a routine can lead to a more engaged and satisfying life. By intentionally designing their days, individuals can combat feelings of emptiness and cultivate a sense of purpose. Staying physically active as one ages is crucial for maintaining both physical and mental health. Regular movement not only helps to keep the body fit but also plays a significant role in enhancing cognitive function and emotional well-being. Engaging in physical activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mobility, and boost overall energy levels. Moreover, exercise has been shown to release endorphins, which can elevate mood and combat feelings of depression and anxiety. Activities such as walking, gardening, or even dancing can be enjoyable ways to stay active without feeling overwhelmed. Additionally, joining community classes or groups can provide social interaction, further enhancing the mental health benefits of physical activity. It's important to emphasize that exercise doesn't have to be intense or time-consuming. Even short bursts of movement throughout the day can make a significant difference. By prioritizing physical activity, individuals can improve their quality of life, maintain independence, and foster a sense of accomplishment. Maintaining social connections as one ages is essential for overall well-being and health. The dangers of isolation can be profound, leading to a range of negative outcomes, both physically and mentally. Research has shown that social isolation can increase the risk of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline, as well as contribute to various health issues such as heart disease and weakened immune function. When individuals lack meaningful interactions, they may experience feelings of loneliness that can exacerbate these health problems. Simple actions such as calling a friend, joining a club, or volunteering can foster connections that combat feelings of loneliness. It's important to remember that building and maintaining relationships takes effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. By prioritizing social engagement, individuals can create a support network that not only provides companionship, but also contributes to better health outcomes. The importance of mental engagement and stimulation is crucial for maintaining cognitive health as we age. Cognitive decline is a common concern among older adults, but research has shown that engaging in mental activities can significantly reduce the risk of memory loss and other cognitive impairments. Activities that challenge the brain, such as puzzles, reading, or learning new skills, can help strengthen neural connections and promote brain health. By keeping the mind active, individuals can enhance their cognitive reserve, which is the brain's ability to cope with age-related changes and resist decline. Whether it's taking up painting, learning a new language, or joining a book club, there are countless ways to stimulate the mind. Engaging in these activities not only fosters cognitive health, but also enhances overall well-being by providing a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. It's important to remember that mental engagement can be enjoyable and rewarding, making it easier to incorporate into daily life. By prioritizing mental stimulation, individuals can take proactive steps toward preserving their cognitive health, ensuring that their later years are filled with curiosity, learning, and vibrant engagement with the world around them. Highlighting the power of gratitude in enhancing emotional well-being is essential, especially as we navigate the complexities of life. Practicing gratitude can significantly shift our focus from loss and negativity to appreciation and positivity. When individuals consciously acknowledge the good in their lives, it fosters a mindset that emphasizes abundance rather than scarcity. This shift can lead to improved mental health, reduced stress, and a greater sense of overall happiness. Simple actions, such as keeping a gratitude journal, sharing appreciation with loved ones, or even reflecting on positive experiences before bed, can foster a greater sense of joy and fulfillment. By making gratitude a regular practice, individuals can cultivate resilience and a more optimistic outlook, which can significantly enhance their emotional well-being. The benefits of helping others to combat loneliness reveals a powerful truth. Acts of kindness can create a profound sense of purpose and connection. When individuals engage in helping others, they often find that their own feelings of isolation diminish. This is because acts of kindness not only benefit the recipient, but also provide the giver with a sense of fulfillment and belonging. Whether it's volunteering at a local shelter, mentoring youth, or participating in community cleanup events, there are countless ways to make a positive impact. Engaging in these activities not only helps others, but also enriches one's own life, creating a cycle of kindness and connection. By prioritizing acts of service, individuals can cultivate a sense of purpose that combats feelings of loneliness and enhances overall well-being. Now that we've explored these essential habits, I encourage you to take action and implement them in your daily life. Start small, perhaps by setting a daily routine, incorporating a short walk, or reaching out to a friend. Consider keeping a gratitude journal or volunteering in your community. Each of these habits can make a significant difference in your emotional and physical well-being. Remember, it's never too late to begin making positive changes that can enhance your life and the lives of those around you. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below about which habit resonates with you the most and how you plan to incorporate it into your life. Your experiences can inspire others who may be facing similar challenges. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on aging positively. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these discussions. Together, we can create a supportive community that empowers everyone to embrace the journey of aging with confidence and joy. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.